Do you do any of your filming, the video and audio separately so you have the best quality of both? Well, with Premiere Pro, there's a really easy feature to then merge these two together. It just takes, a second, and I will just let you know, I'll put up here what version of Premiere Pro I am using. I'm Passione, one half of Content Creator Pod. So let's get straight into this tutorial. So here is the file where I am editing our podcast. And for our podcast, what we like to do is film the video separately and then record our audio elsewhere. So if you have something similar, I have put into the media library the video and then the audio. So what I do is I click on both, select both, then right click, click on merge clips. Then you want to make sure that you have these settings. So you want to synchronize from audio. So this is assuming that the video you have also has audio, and it's going to check the audio that the video and the audio has and just put them in the same time. You want to click that button below. That makes sure that the audio from the camera is deleted, so you just keep the one sound that you want and you click OK. It might take just like a few seconds to process, and then it outputs the video that is merged, and you can drag it into your timeline just like any normal video. I will say though, in my case, you can see that the video and the audio were not the same length. So then when you try to edit the clip or cut it, you might have some little issues, but that's not a big thing at all. Just right click, unlink it, fix the length, and you can link it back up if it makes your job easier, or leave it as it is. It doesn't matter. You now have the video and the audio together, and you're welcome to do whatever you want to, however you would normally edit. And of course, you can do this with more than one video clip. So in my case, the camera splits the videos after, like 20-30 minutes, and the audio kept going. So I just did exactly the same steps with the second video and the same audio. Just do the same steps and it merges up pretty easily and just drag into the timeline. So just do the same thing. So yeah, I'm really excited with this feature. It does make my life easier, so I hope that it does yours too. And yeah, and if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below and let me know what else you'd like to learn.